Yo Dallas, how are you? So welcome to another episode of Taste Buds by Anubi, and this week I'm reviewing a Punjabi Dhaba restaurant which is on 287 Alvarado, Texas, which is like an hour drive from Dallas. And it's a very unique dhaba concept that they have, a Punjabi truck stop dhaba jo hota hai. If you look at the menu right now, it has a typical Punjabi dhaba menu. And if you look at the settings right over here, तो एक ढाबा जो सेटिंग होती है, जो मंजे बिछे हुए हैं, खाट और बेंचेस लगे हुए हैं, and there are trucks which are parked outside. It's a very dhaba atmosphere, and I'm very excited to be here. I've ordered a bunch of from the menu. Let's see how it is. I'm very excited to taste the food. So let's get started. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? Okay, these are fish pakoras. मैंने बहुत सुना है इसके बारे में. So let me go ahead and try it now. These are typical अमृतसरी fish जो होता है ना, fish अमृतसरी हो या prawns अमृतसरी हो. This is kind of that fish. कोली वड़ा हो. Very unique Punjabi flavor to it. Nice and hot tandoori chicken. Wow. This is whole tandoori chicken by the way. Tandoori chicken is nice and hot, juicy. It's spicy. And the spice level is perfect because it's पे हरा धनिया, and if you see some chilies over here, so काट के डले हुए हैं. That is giving a spice level a very new aspect. So it's very good tandoori chicken. I seeing all this setup. I remember मैं जलंधर गया था. I'd been to Jalandhar and I'd been to Shimla and then came back to Jalandhar. Had a truck stop over there. तो वहाँ पे we had a dinner at night, and this is in winter times. And our SUV could fit only some few people who wanted to sleep inside the SUV. We had an overnight stop in Jalandhar. And I, being a superman, took an initiative to sleep outside Khatiya Pe in the Jalandhar Dhaba. And believe me guys, after midnight I was frozen. I could not move my limbs, my arms, everything was frozen. I had to wake up my friends in the car and I had to take them out, and I said, you know, that's it. I want to sleep inside the car. It was so freezing cold. So ये देखने के बाद मुझे वो दिन याद आए जलंधर के. So good. Sleeping on this on the starry night. Can you see the happiness on the face? I'm happy because there's so much food, and they have chili naan, they have regular butter naan, which I've ordered, and I'm very excited to try this chili naan and see the plethora of dishes I've ordered. This is dal maharani. This is bangan bharta, chicken tikka masala. This is goat curry, this is chicken curry, and this is, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, murg makhni. So let me try one by one. First I'll try the chicken curry, and very authentic chicken curry, and the chunks of chili in the naan is giving explosion of spiciness, the much needed spiciness that we expect from a Punjabi dhaba in my mouth. So this is awesome. Let me try mutton as well, because mutton के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना था इस ढाबे का. The key to the mutton is it has to be cooked. Let me see if it is cooked or not. Nice, soft, tender, juicy, and spice level is perfect. I believe the mutton is better than the chicken curry, so watch that. I'm going to try chicken tikka masala. Normally restaurants in most of the other restaurants, chicken tikka masala texture is a little different. If you look at this curry, It has bell peppers and chicken and the gravy, but the gravy looks a little bit coarse to me. So let me try how it is. Let me try a piece of chicken tikka masala curry. So very tangy, lot of tomatoes used in this curry. I would say it's a little bit sour, on the sour side. I would give this out of 5 to 2.5. It's not that great though. Okay, so now we are going to try some बैंगन भरता. So look, the बैंगन भरता उन्होंने थोड़ी क्रीम डली हुई है, थोड़ा कोरिएंडर है, जुलियन जिंजर कटा हुआ है ऊपर. Let me try that, and of course there are like peas on here. So let me try, and I have ordered a tawa roti. It's a roti kind of chapati hai, अच्छी सी nice. Let me try that. See how it is. It's okay. I was expecting a more charcoaly feeling, जो grill करते हैं charcoal पे बैंगन को पहले. When you have those बैंगans which are grilled on charcoal, when you make a बैंगन भरता, you all of a sudden get that barbecue charcoal flavor. But I don't get it over here. That means they are not भुने हुए नहीं है charcoal पे, gas पे किए हुए. So it's not authentic बैंगन भरता. Let's move forward. What is this? This is dal maharani. So काली दाल है, दाल मखनी type. काफ़ी अच्छी दिख रही है. This is good. This kali dal is good. You can try this kali dal and it is awesome. अच्छी पकी हुई है. The flavor is good. Cream डली हुई है. You can also have that with basmati rice that I've ordered, and normally I would prefer basmati rice with the kali dal. Murg malai. Let me see. Let me take one piece of chicken on this. Yep. And let me try. It's more on the lines of chicken tikka masala. It's not that tangy or sour, but the gravy base is the same. So I would say if you order one of these dishes, order just one. Either murg malai or chicken tikka masala, not both. Okay guys, I am stuffed. I am full. You can see my tummy. So the final review on this Punjabi Dhaba is, it's good. It's not great. I would not specially drive from the Metroplex over here out of nowhere to eat here. If you have some work here, or if you want to have a nice scenic drive with your family, spend 3-4 hours, then you can come over here. But it's not specially you have to come and eat here. Food wise, I believe the vegetarian food is better than non-vegetarian food. Bangan bharta was good. Dal makhani, dal maharani was very good, so I would recommend that dish. Chicken curry was okay. Mutton curry was good, so I would recommend that as well. The other thing that I liked about it is the naan. The chili naan, I would recommend to try. It's a very unique. They have chopped the chilies inside the dough and they have made the naans fresh out of the tandoor. Until next time, it's bye from Abhi and Taste Buds by Anubi. See you next time.